All right, morning everybody. Uploading is done. I hope you enjoyed that little video from the milling there. It was fun. It was Nick's a good guy to work with. He's that kind of guy that just you know, he lives in the solution. He's ready to work and he's there. So I like working with guys like that. So Nick's good. So we're just we got that place looking pretty clean over there. I'm just off to a job over at the Crowing Gate. You guys have been there with me a few times actually at this job. Let's see if this truck starts. This truck's been giving me gears lately. It's getting colder, and I opened up the fuel a little bit to see if we could get a little more fuel coming to the car, but it's giving me a few troubles. I'm hoping it's gonna be all right. I don't even choke it, and it seems to. Well, that's not a bad sign. And I just ever so slightly just pull the choke, so that's a good sign. See right there? Right here, just a little bit. But if you pull too much, it'll start flooding it out, and that can be a bugger, and the carb's struggling. But I think we're gonna be okay here. And then if you go to hit the gas pedal, it dies because the accelerator pump's gone. So I'm looking for a rebuild carb for it, because this is a good truck to work in. Okay, I think it's gonna hang in there. Let's leave it. Let's go get some power saws. I'll see you guys. Actually, you know what we should do before we let that truck warm up? We'll go check on my fire. It looks like it's still smoldering. Have you guys ever burnt sawdust piles? Like they smolder for days. This thing's doing really good. Look how clean this looks, friends. I'm gonna bring the weed eater out and deal with this. This is the big, this is the bucking and oh, did you throw that frame on there, babe? I did. Cool. Hey, it's good. And then you just fire up the blower. Yeah, see it? It's burning. It's burning good. Much cleaner in here. Geez, that wood turned out nice, friends. It is really nice maple. Look at it. Did you have a look at this maple, babe? Sure is nice. Really nice. Here's one of my favorite pieces over here, friends. This one. Isn't that gorgeous? I like it. I really like it. I might do something with this maple. This is kind of nice. There's a great big slab right there. It'd be a big bar table. I think we're gonna do something with that stuff. Anyway, let's go over to the shop and get some power saws and see over on site. It's a little chilly, friends. Winter's coming. All right. I think we'll take the 800. And Mr. 1010. Oh, I love this little power saw. That should be good for now. What else do we need here? I think that's good. There's my little 346 with my wraparound bar down there. That's a wicked little power saw, that. Nice tree saw. Yeah. Okay, good morning everybody. Geez, you know, the air's a little chillier. I don't know about where you're at, but it's yesterday night it was chilly, and today it's like chilly. Like I'm rocking long, like half sleeves now. Buckin's got his half sleeves on. That's when you know she's getting nippy. Hey, friends? You know what I mean? So hey, here's the deal. Okay, settle down everybody. Deep breath. I'm not in a hurry. I am at peace. Okay. Here's the deal. It's a Codom, dead as a doornail. Oh, there's a little teeny bit of life left in it, which is nice for climbing. But we're right on the road, and I'm gonna take the debris. I'm gonna save him out the bigger limbs. This is a restaurant. It's the Crowing Gate. It's a beautiful restaurant. He does firewood and that here. So, but he wants all his firewood in here and that. But anyway, The firewood's going to end up over here, of course. Right. Yeah, so I'm climbing this. I'll probably climb this inside one, friends. You know what I mean? Like I'll probably climb the inside stem and then just skin it right up and then tie in maybe halfway, come down, grab this stuff, throw it in here, because I got to keep it off the road, right? Because there's traffic and delivery, food deliveries and all that. So that's the plan. Let's get at her. Let's do it. I might even keep this vest on. It's chilito. France. All right, what's this stuff here? What is this? What the heck is this? What's that? Okay, oh, that's fine. I'm fine with that. What's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that, a camera. Well, I wonder if I should turn this camera on. Hey, shall I, friends? You think so? Let it just run? Why not? Why shan't I? No, yeah. Okay, I'll take this here. I don't think I need another rope. Mind you, I could rig and let it hang. Couldn't I? Hey, friends? Yeah. Yeah, we could let it hang. Really. I could take another rope up with me and I could actually rig a piece off it. But I actually don't need to, so there's no point. You know what I'm saying? I'll kick the top out of the inside one. I'll fly over into the other one and I'll throw it down in here too. So I just got to keep it off the road. So here's the road gig and there's the limbs. There's quite a few limbs over the road, but I can manhandle them and flick them out over here. So it should be good. It should be good. Yeah. Here's my belt, friends. This is my climbing belt. Right there. There it is. The only rigging I carry is nothing. Is that. And I carry one little block, and that's for pulling up bigger power saws if I need chunk out or something. So I'm not, you know what it's like. You know, I don't have to tell you guys. It's just nice to have that. Yeah, it's just, that's it. There's my climbing rigging right there. Just, I don't know, carabiner for some reason or other, but there it is. That thing, which I hardly carry, but I thought I may as well just leave it on there. And that's it. Oh, and actually, I better watch this thing. I better see if I got some tape, because this thing kind of came undone on me the other day. I'll see if I got some tape there. So when you're old and beat up, well, I'm not that old, but I'm beat up. I don't like the extra weight. You got people coming through here like mad, so yeah. The thing sounds like it's struggling running there, didn't it? Okay, I'm going to turn this camera on right here and just see if I can capture the whole job on this camera. This one here. I don't know if I will or not, but we'll try, eh, friends? Let's just try. We'll just put it facing up here like this. Just like that. See if maybe we can get part of the job. Okay, let's try that. Should we try this? Should we maybe put it right there against there like that? Does that work? Boom, boom. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Good. Okay, let us go. Let us climb a tree or two. Tree or two or tree or two. Is that how that song goes? Something like that. Check your and just check your rigging, friends, before you go climbing. Check your bolts down here. There's two there. There's two there. They're good. You know what I mean? Just don't take for granted that it's all good. It's not smart. Let's see if this power saw will start up. Yeah, it did. What do we got here? logs. Look what happens, they're falling off. I don't like them at all. Look. Stupid things. Conserve gas big time.
Feels you scrutinizing as he backs up to the test. Well, the woodman wears a smirk and flicks that whistle on his chest. He walks away in confidence. He knows his wood's the best. He knows his wood's the best. He knows his wood's the best. Yeah, yeah, all right.
There goes our truck. Just went underneath us there. Gotta save on gas, friends. Big time. Good. I guess we don't need that, or I guess I could use this to rappel out now and go down. I probably could. Yeah, I think I will. I'll use this one. So let's cut it in half. There we go. There we go. Getting pretty small up here now, which is pretty good. See, here comes the car now. Let her come through. You don't want any little twigs falling on. Get going. Funny how they slow down, eh? Isn't that funny how they slow down under the tree? Don't slow down under tree work, friends. Unless you got flaggers down there telling you to do so.
Well, the woodman wears a smirk and flicks that whistle on his chest. He walks away in confidence because he knows his wood's the best. He knows his wood's the best. He knows his Alrighty, you can almost let a top go here now. Yeah, almost, not quite. Just the smell of the two-stroke. Got that codon right behind me. I'll probably tie in here pretty quick. Go down and get the back side of that little tree. Hey friends? But we'll get up a little higher here so we can manhandle this top. That's what I'm thinking. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Actually, you know what we should be doing right now? We should be conserving fuel. Yeah, let's do it. Let's conserve fuel. I like it. Big time like it. Got to see where the wind's blowing? Right over there. Hard, actually. Okay, let's do this. I say we just bomb her in there. It's a teeny little top. We'll do a snap cut and we'll throw it right in there. We'll get it moving, we'll pop it off and throw it. What do you think, friends? That's what I'm thinking. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. It's pretty dry. That fur sure is tough though, boy. But old bucking's not as light as he used to be.
Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Loosen this off. There we go. Yeah. There we go. What about this? Is that gonna work? Yes, it is. We're out. Question is, did this thing last? Did you guys, are you still going? Did you guys, are you still going? Are you guys rolling? I don't think so. Are you? You're probably full. If you guys are going, that would be incredible. Over and out. I don't think so. Sorry, you guys are going too. Sorry about that. That was fun. So here it all is. Our only piece on the road was this little thing, which is about, well, whatever, it's about 8 inches poking out on the road. We've had cars go by, there's been no troubles. And this last chunk that I just jumped down, look at. That was good. Oh, so that was fun, actually. That was a nice little climb. I enjoyed that. Hey? And there we are. Now the work begins. But see the chunk out, friends? Oh, there's always a hole, friends. I don't know who's watching these videos, to be honest with you. I mean, I know we got a wonderful, wonderful following of people on this channel. And if you're not, you know, if you're just poking in and trolling and you've been here for a while, that's cool too. I hope you're enjoying yourselves. I know the rest of us sure are. I'm excited and very proud to be part of this channel myself. But my point being is if there's any new tree climbers, I'm all old school. You saw my belt. I got one piece of rigging on it. I have nothing. I have ropes, a power saw, and a belt. And I got horribly smashed up 11 years ago, and it was bad. It almost took me out, actually. Not doing tree work, falling out doing production falling. And it changed my life in more ways than one. But for climbing, it's shortened by climbing life by probably by 15 years. I would think 10, 15 years. I won't be able to do it much longer. I know that. I've accepted it. But I'm doing it while I can because I really do enjoy it. But my back and hips won't take it. And I got the leg snapped in half in the process when I broke my back is what happened. I got hit by a piece of a full-length tree, a piece of alder, about a 14-inch alder. It was about 75 feet high. It came crashing through the timber and took me out right on the stump. It was a snag, and it got me. It came from behind me. Anyway, so my point is having a hole, always having a hole for something. Like here it is. This is where it all went. Here's the brush. I climbed it. He wants these bigger pieces for firewood, so I'll go through and I'll kind of take the bigger pieces out and we'll get the rest for fires. It's a bit of a job. I would have a burn right here myself is what I would do, but he probably won't want to do that. But yeah, that's kind of what we did. I was one man today, just by myself. So I threw everything in a chunk, in a hole here. I tried to get them out over the brush, so I'm not having a hard time. There's a couple pieces there, but my point is that I'm rambling is have a hole. Got to have a hole for stuff to go. It's just like falling. You always, when you're opening up, you've always got to have a hole for stuff to hit the ground. So yeah, anyways. I hope that video went on that other camera. That'd be cool. So yeah, like I say, new guys, if anybody new guys watching, always have a hole, friends. Hey guys, have a hole. Shortcuts will sting you. They've stung me lots. Over and out, friends. It is really cool. This, I just got a warm and fuzzy feeling inside my gut. I need to show you this, friends. I've been doing business here for years. I've been running around these parts for years. I was a little kid. My mom used to do the thing called the medieval fair. And Lady Godiva was here, and that was the big finale at the end of the fair. It was called the Medieval Fair, and she used to ride around on a horse naked with her big long golden hair across her breasts, and she used to ride through the parade, Lady Godiva. And it was, but my mom used to play here as a kid, but I've been coming here my whole life. Now check this out, friends. I fixed up an axe for Bryce, who owns the place. Check this out. That was a while ago. Look at this, friends. Look at this thing. It's a freaking HB. Look at it. It is an absolute beautiful axe, and it looks like he's taking care of it, but it's getting used. Look, it's taking a little beating here, a little bit, a few knocks here and there, but oh my goodness, friends, looky here. Hey, it's a beauty, friends. Do you know how exciting that is for me to see? Sorry, for me to see my axes in action. Oh, this is a nice axe. It's a beautiful handle. Those 32-inch handles that I got right now, friends, are sweet. They just feel good. This is a 2.5 pound axe. 2 1/4. Oh, it's an HB. It's a dandy look, friends. Buckins hasn't even thought about moving or slipping or anything. I can see it. It's deadly. Wow, that's incredible. I love it. Ah, gosh, that makes me proud. Okay, back at it. I want to see how to I coil a rope again. You guys into that? Now that we're a YouTube channel, now that we're an actual, we are an actual functioning. I'm proud to say that we are a functioning YouTube channel, people. Friends, I'm not joking you. I'm real proud of us. Real proud of us. We are a working, functional YouTube channel. It's awesome. I'm freaking loving it. This has taken me 3 years to do this. It's taken me 3 years. With keeping my yapper shut. I just couldn't do it. Okay? So, anyways, we are a functioning, operating YouTube channel, and we don't have any affiliates, friends. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Well, obviously we have PayPal and we have YouTube, that AdSense, of course. And they take their whatever. That's life. But Friends, what a small price to pay for this community we have. Hey, anyway, I'm rambling because I'm excited about the channel. I'm excited. So anyway, listen here, this is how I coil a rope. I'll show you guys again. Okay, you guys can see me pretty good here. Hey, let's do it. The battery's gonna croak, I can see it, but I got another one. Okay, what I do is I grab a tail of rope. I keep it all right at the kind of near me, not pulling it and coiling it. It's too much friction on the ground. I just go 1, 2, maybe 2 arm lengths, and I throw it down to the side and I leave it down there. Then I keep my arm, none of this, no more of this, up there, and by the time you get to the end of the rope, you've got bursitis. No more of that. In here tight, right like this, right against this. I'm just flailing here because I just got out of the tree. Okay, nice and tight right in here, so you're good, you're ergonomically, you're tight, you're straight up there. Okay, and you just like this, friend. This is the hand that does the work, and it all stays low. Your shoulders are down low. None of this. Look at 1. Okay, 1, 2, with a twist and a roll. 1, 2, drop, twist and roll. 1, 2. See, and I just hang on to it with my finger here, right here. See that? 2, and I just roll it in. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, drop. Drop and roll, really. And then I just go like this. You see, and it's just pulling up behind me. And your hands never, your shoulders never go anywhere. Just look at how easy that is. 1, 2. And the reason I'm saying 1, 2, you could literally go like this. 1, right? 1. That's fine too. I just do it because my shoulders, I've had shoulder issues, so I like to keep my shoulders tight to my body. You know what I mean? I like to keep them in tight. So I just keep it like this. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, drop. Right? 1, 2. And the coils are nice and small. They're however big you want them. I like them fairly tight because I don't like them dangling at my feet when I'm climbing. So that's how I do it. See what I'm doing? And friends, you know the beautiful thing is that this here sits here, doesn't get tired, just sits there. Now, here's the trick. Okay? You literally just switch hands. Shunk, shunk. That's it. Now, you grab the tail and you reach for your armpit. Okay, that's how I describe it. You reach for your armpit and you try and grab your armpit and you go all the way around and you just twist. And you twist all the way around like it'll fall off. Boom. See that? Okay? That's how you do that. And then you start coiling your rope. Do it again. Reach for your armpit. 1, 2. That's it. Done. Pull it through, but don't pull it all the way through. Do a daisy knot. Grab this. Okay? Shebangle. 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 And then you just finish it off like that. There's other ways to do it, but I just finish it off and then I kind of roll it down on itself. And you can hang it anywhere now. You can hang it off this coil, that coil, that coil, right there. That's my gig. Starting to rain hard. Okay, friends, time to do some bucking. You guys want to see it again? 1, 2, out to the ground. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, roll. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is about 120. This isn't that long, this rope. But oh, let's get that twisted in there. It literally doesn't take no time at all, friends. And if your rope gets tangled, you know what to do. You guys don't have to tell you that. You just keep twisting it and flipping it and it'll come out. Like, see, this is a different style rope. That's it. That's done. Boom. This is my favorite part. You almost look like you know what you're doing, some kind of a professional or something. Some kind of tree trade guy. Everybody's got their own systems. That's mine. I learned it off tree guys. He learned it off tree guys. He learned it off tree guys, and so did the guy before him learning off tree guys. These tricks are passed down from years, friends. Over and freaking out, my gums are flapping. They're getting steaming hot. Hi, babe. Good, how are you? Good.